Hi, my name's Caroline. I'm from the Patchogue-Medford Library, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a spooky spider cookie. So this is offered as a take and make program, but if you were not able to pick this up, all you need are pretzel sticks, M&Ms, candy corn, and Oreos. So first you're going to split your Oreo cookie in half, and make sure you do this carefully so it doesn't break. Then you're going to take your 8 pretzel sticks and you're going to do 4 on each side and kind of stick it into the Oreo center. Then you're going to take your 2 candy corn and you're going to stick it to the front of the cookie, and that's going to be its fangs. And then you're going to put the cookie on top and then add the M&Ms for the eyes. And I chose red just because I wanted it to be an evil spider.